This is a quick video to showcase how to deposit Challan for 194C in the new sections, which is the section code 1023. So you come in here, you select like this. My case, all the deductees are from India and they are non-corporates. So I select it like this. The assessment year as of now is this. You can type 194C and sometimes it comes, but you actually have to know the real code. Just type the real code and the amount, interest, whatever you would like to fill. You can also pay multiple under multiple section codes by pressing that add button over there. You can check over here and select whichever you want to change as well for the amounts. Then you go in. I only had a 200 rupees amount. You can make the payment via UPI as well. So I selected HDFC Bank. It's not actually asking which bank account you hold. It's actually asking which UPI provider you would like to use to complete the transaction. So it does not matter which bank over here you choose. After this, it will also give you a QR code, and sometimes it also gives you the ability to put in a UPI ID. Once the payment has been made, it will process the transaction like this, and the Challan will showcase itself as paid, and you will be able to download it from over here once you press this download button.